Do you say bad all the time? Bad day, bad movie, bad food. But guess what? Native speakers rarely say bad. If you want to sound more natural and expressive, you need to stop saying bad. Let's fix that today. Hey everyone, I'm Daily English Teacher, and welcome back to another episode of our Stop Saying series. Yesterday, we learned better ways to say good, and today, it's time to upgrade your bad. Ready? Let's go. Why bad sounds too basic? Bad isn't wrong, but it's too plain. It doesn't tell how bad something actually is. Slightly bad, terrible, disgusting, disappointing. Let's make your English more specific and colorful. Better alternatives to bad. 1. When talking about food, instead of the food was bad, say, the food was terrible. It was disgusting. It tasted awful. It wasn't fresh. It didn't taste right. Two. When talking about experiences or events, instead of it was a bad day, say, it was a rough day. It was a terrible day. It was stressful. It didn't go well. Three. When talking about people's behavior, instead of he's a bad person, say, he's rude. He's mean. He's dishonest. He's unkind. Four. When talking about performance or results, instead of my score was bad, say, my score was low. My result wasn't great. It could have been better. I didn't do well. Five. When talking about quality, instead of that movie was bad, say, that movie was boring. It was poorly made. It was disappointing. It didn't live up to the hype. Let's practice. Replace bad in these sentences. 1. The weather was bad. The weather was terrible, awful, horrible. 2. He's a bad driver. He's careless, reckless, unsafe. 3. My test was bad. It didn't go well. I didn't do great. So remember, bad isn't wrong, but it's basic. The more specific you are, the more natural you'll sound. Try using one new word today instead of just saying bad. If you like this lesson, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. I'm Daily English Teacher, and I'll see you tomorrow.